The Dum Dum Youth Association concluded its week-long celebration on the 11th of January 2025 at the premises of St. Dominic College, Shillong. The event was graced by Nongthymmai MLA Charles Pyngrope as the chief guest, with KHADC Chief Executive Member Pyniaid Sing Syiem serving as the guest of honor. Also in attendance were Congress candidate from Nongthymmai, Allan V, Lyngdoh, community leaders, local elders and residents. In his speech, the MLA reminded the youth and residents about the importance of gratitude towards God, who has guided them on their journey as a community. He emphasized the need to organize such programs regularly, as they help inspire the younger generation to stay away from vices like drugs and promote unity and harmony within the community. The Chief Executive Member of the KHADC presented a financial contribution of Rs 50,000 to support the association in covering the expenses of the celebration. The day also featured the distribution of prizes to winners of various competitions held during the entire week.
Dusa lapi Skoba mentapti kini kinarit bagi participate ke opening jongani ke week first Itaniel Dakar.
Berapa jom kuporu dan mudah kiye kisem jongi barola angin bed in biang mungkin kitmaru baka jingin jongi ni optionnya how try bau nyelam un betul nambah long kecing kebayai baik ya ganti ikon samla kiseng samla apa kecing lang yung president but secretary but kiwi rubalo pelapila pelinti ya kisamla yung kanigasnong kihebarit hadu kirangba pagin sumbenta ide ban penlong kumpini program berper nang ba penlong kejingi tili apreng jungi wei pai wei ki badan ki basaha kani gadong berkesnong hukum ju nanu bun kiti namar kidan ki program ki babon sing abadan ki program najuya snow borok yang don bok bel tu gong sanun tren det mo tren lingkot naman gikwa ba dia snow gi juruai gikwa ba dia eating shot you politicians dia don bok tren lingkot kebenar kalian jong apa deh tu balas snow mene kamdi ke sin ke lingkong ngelawan bania dan nengkat batui ban recommend lang batui bagi long yang program next camp bagi jing temu bapa jogi samla kan yelam sakajing ba jom presnong nagadong ibarokwe
semua komen ba kanika program kalong kabadon jingmut bat kabakit jingmut hadu kata-kata namar ba hapo jong kanika week kabapila penlong nadu usnem arja arfusau Desember hadu menta kanika sengi bila penlong ia kanika week ringkat bat ki events ki bapher kaba pi penlong ban kring ye ki hep ki barit hadu ki samla ki blakam he ban yeshim menta hakani ka week bat kani ka jing tmu kumne kalong kaba dan kambha kum kini ki jat program hakani ki sngi ki por menta bakumno kum kishnong hangni po rikhasi jungi ngidon kam ban ye ithu ithau para mangi kum kinong shnong don kishnong ki bom don shu ki activities kum kini kalapan ye jengai ye ki para nong shnong nakawai ka yeng shakawai pat ye ki para marjan ndan ba ithu shu namar bom don ka jingi kundu ka bakum kini hapot kishnong ka jongki ngaso ban ai kublai kerpang ye ka seng samla kabla organize ye kani ka event bat kani ka event kalong ka job